I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, let's say in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix your issue with your Samsung phone not charging. It seems to be happening to those phones with built-in battery, and this one, as you can see, it's not charging. This can be a simple fix. Well, you can try different things to see what is causing the issue. Different phones can have different issues. I have other videos how you can actually rectify these issues, but I realized that if it is not the charger or the charging port, so guys, if you look, we are not getting charged. But if you press the back of the phone gently in this area here and you plugged in, you can see that we are actually getting charged there. So guys, what I'm saying is that you can also try that as well to see if that works. If your phone have built-in battery and you drop your phone, that can cause the connection to get loose at the back. So definitely I hope that this was helpful. If it was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. I'm out.